Welcome to agriculture. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of lemon cultivation, from grafting and growing to harvesting and processing. If you've ever wondered how lemons are grown and transformed into the products we love, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick around until the end because we'll share some valuable tips on avoiding common mistakes that can hinder your lemon growing journey. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on our agricultural adventures. Let's get started. Lemon trees, scientifically known as citrus lemon, are not only beloved for their zesty fruit, but also for their beautiful, fragrant flowers. They are a part of the larger citrus family, which includes oranges, grapefruits, and limes. Growing lemon trees can be both rewarding and challenging. One effective method we will discuss is grafting, particularly grafting a lemon onto an orange plant. This technique helps in producing a more resilient tree that can yield fruit faster and with better quality. Grafting involves joining two plants together so they can grow as one. This is often done to combine the desirable traits of both plants, such as disease resistance from one and fruit quality from another. Now, let's get into the grafting method itself. There are several techniques, such as the whip and tongue graft, the cleft graft, and the bud graft. The whip and tongue graft is particularly popular for citrus plants. In this method, you take a healthy lemon scion, which is a cutting from a mature lemon tree, and attach it to a compatible rootstock, in this case, an orange plant. First, you'll make a diagonal cut on both the scion and the rootstock, ensuring that they align well. Next, make a tongue cut. This is a small notch that helps hold the graft together. Once they are aligned, wrap them with grafting tape or parafilm to keep them secure. After a few weeks, you should start to see new growth if the graft has taken successfully. Once your grafted lemon tree is growing well, it's essential to understand the optimal conditions for it to thrive. Lemon trees prefer a subtropical or tropical climate with plenty of sunlight. Ideally, they need about 8 to 12 hours of direct sunlight daily. If you're growing your lemon tree indoors, place it near a south-facing window or consider using grow lights to supplement natural light. In terms of temperature, lemon trees thrive in temperatures between 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, and slightly cooler at night. They are sensitive to frost, so if you live in a cooler climate, it's crucial to protect them during winter months. The soil is another critical aspect of growing lemon trees. They prefer well-draining soil with a slightly acidic pH, ideally between 5.5 and 6.5. If your soil is heavy clay, consider amending it with organic matter or planting your lemon tree in a raised bed or container filled with a suitable potting mix designed for citrus plants. Watering is key as well. Lemon trees require regular watering but should never sit in waterlogged soil. A good rule of thumb is to water deeply once a week, allowing the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. During hot, dry spells, you may need to increase the frequency. Once your lemon tree is established, care and maintenance are essential for promoting healthy growth and fruit production. Fertilization is a crucial part of this process. Use a balanced fertilizer formulated for citrus trees, which typically contains nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, along with micronutrients. Fertilize your tree every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, But be careful not to over-fertilize, as this can lead to root burn and other issues. Pruning is another essential maintenance task. Regular pruning helps shape the tree, encourages airflow, and removes any dead or diseased branches. The best time to prune is in late winter or early spring, before new growth begins. Focus on removing any crossing branches, suckers, and any growth that is too dense. This will not only promote better fruit production, but also help prevent diseases. Now, let's talk about harvesting lemons. Typically, lemons take about 6 to 9 months to mature after flowering. You'll know they're ready for harvesting when they turn a bright yellow color and feel slightly soft to the touch. It's important to harvest them properly to avoid damaging the tree. Use a pair of pruning shears to cut the lemons from the branch, leaving a small stem attached to the fruit. This method helps to prevent bruising and prolongs the shelf life of the lemons. After harvesting, the lemons can be used in a variety of ways. They are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Think lemon juice, zest, salads, marinades, and desserts. But did you know that lemons also have numerous health benefits? They are high in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. And they also contain antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and fight free radicals in the body. Once harvested, a significant portion of lemons is processed in factories. The processing of lemons involves several steps to ensure that these fruits can be enjoyed year-round. First, the lemons are washed and sorted to remove any damaged or substandard fruit. After sorting, they may be juiced for lemonade, used in cleaning products, or even turned into lemon oil. The juice can be bottled or concentrated for long-term storage, while the peels can be used to create zest or essential oils. In fact, millions of tons of lemons are processed each year globally, highlighting their immense popularity and versatility. However, it's important to be aware of common mistakes when growing lemon trees. One common mistake is overwatering. Many beginners think that more water will help their plants grow faster, but lemon trees prefer slightly drier conditions. Another mistake is neglecting to prune or fertilize, which can lead to poor fruit production. Always keep an eye out for common pests like aphids, spider mites, and scale insects, and treat any infestations promptly using organic or chemical treatments as necessary. In conclusion, growing lemon trees can be a rewarding endeavor that yields delicious fruit and enhances your garden's beauty. From grafting techniques to proper care and harvesting, understanding the needs of your lemon tree is crucial for successful cultivation. If you're inspired to start your own lemon growing journey, don't hesitate to experiment and learn along the way. Thank you for watching this video on agriculture. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share your experiences in the comments, and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, and may your lemon trees thrive!